In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund on Stockx. If you've run into an issue with an order on StockX, there is a clear process to request a refund, especially for cases like receiving a damaged item, the wrong item, or when you believe there's an authentication problem. StockX is a marketplace, so refunds are typically tied to these specific issues rather than simple change of mind returns. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so your request is processed as smoothly as possible. First, open your browser, go to stockx.com and log into your account. Make sure you use the same account you use for the purchase so all your order details appear correctly. Next, head to your order history, click Profile, then select Buying. From there, open the specific order you want to refund. Double check that you're looking at the correct purchase by reviewing the product, size, price, and delivery details. Having the right order open will ensure the support request is tied to the correct transaction. Now it's time to contact StockX support. On the order page, click Get Help or Contact Support. You'll be prompted to choose the issue that best matches your situation. Select the appropriate option, such as damaged item or wrong item or authentication issue. Choosing the most accurate category helps route your request to the right team and can reduce back and forth later. You'll then fill out a short form, enter your order number, and write a clear description of what went wrong. Be specific and factual. Note what you expected, what you received, and any relevant timeline details. Attach clear photos that show the problem. Aim for good lighting and multiple angles. Include the full item, close-ups of the defect or mismatch, and any labels or packaging that support your claim. The clearer your evidence, the quicker support can verify the issue. Before you submit, review everything to make sure it's accurate and complete. When you're confident, click Submit. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after, letting you know your request has been received. Response times are usually between 24 and 72 hours. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder, and make sure notifications are enabled so you don't miss any follow-up questions from support. While you wait, keep your communication concise and in the same support thread to avoid delays. If support requests more information or additional photos, respond promptly. They'll guide you on next steps and any actions needed to finalize your refund. That's the full process. Log in, open the order. From your buying tab, contact support with the correct issue, provide a clear description and photos, and submit. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll give your request the best chance of a fast resolution.